Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to be decorating in my horizontal journal, and this is for the last week in March, first week in April, the 29th through Easter Sunday. So this is a special request spread with no cutting. So this is for the working mama or working woman who does not have time to play in their planner like I do and need something kind of simple but cute at the same time. So I'm going to try to make that happen. I'm going to use Happy Plans and the Pressed Floral sticker books. So my biggest advice is if you don't want to cut a lot of stickers, make sure that if you're, whatever decorations you're using, like if you're using florals like I do, you want to make sure that you're using paper stickers. It's just going to make life a lot easier. If you start using clear stickers, you're probably going to want to trim around other stickers just because you'll be able to see through them. So clear stickers are ideal if you're going to not cut. Did I say clear? Paper. I don't know what I just said. I lost my train of thought, so sorry about that. But anyways, so paper stickers if you want a no fuss, no mess, just laying stickers down kind of spread. So here is my first sticker. I always like to start with a long box on this side for some reason. I did put a little bit too much white out right here, so I'm going to try to scrape some of this away. Okay, and then so I don't like this. I'm going to actually, I'll show you my quote that I'm going to put in the bottom right of my other page. So I'm going to base this spread off of this sticker, and the spread is going to be mainly 3 colors. So we're going to have this blue color with this off-white and the light peachy pink color. So let's try to get this straight. So just bloom. We're not going to cut that sticker. We're just going to leave it like it is. And then I think I told the person that requested this that I was going to use the Colorful Boxes sticker book, but I'm not going to use that sticker book. I am actually going to use some of the boxes out of the Happy Plans. So I am just going to use this big sticker to cover up those florals in that box because I don't want those there. And then I'm going to put this blue priority down here in this corner. And I want to take this blue box and just kind of come off of the pink box here. If I can straighten that up. And so if you guys have any special request spreads that you want to see me make, let me know. Preferably with some flowers because that's how I roll. Alright, so now I want to cover up these yellow flowers because yellow is not in my color scheme. So these cute little semicircles came out of the Happy Plans sticker book, and I thought it would be cute to just come in here and cover up these yellow flowers with it. So we're just going to come like right here off of the edge of this sticker and bring a pop of that pink in there. And then I've got an important header, if I can get it off the wax paper, that I'm going to put off the side of this blue box. Maybe, let's see, we'll move down just a little bit. Maybe like that. Okay, I still can't decide if that box is straight or not. I guess it'll be okay. And then we're going to come off the side here on Monday with another blue box. Now this blue box has some leaves in it, or like some outline florals. We're going to cover those up because it does not match my color scheme. We're going to put a little bit of pink on that box with a priority sticker. And then I'm going to take this daisy and try to cover up this floral outline as best as I can. And I think I'm going to come over top of that daisy with this priority sticker. Like that. Alright, so that's cute, just like it is. Now, I think I want to put this little guy somewhere. I'm not sure where. So, how does this look? It's looking good so far. Let's move to the other side. We'll save this for later, just in case. Alright, now I'm going to take 2 stickers. So this one came out of the Pressed Florals accessory book. It's got that same outline. And then this sticker says New Day, Same Goal. And it is from the Happy Plans sticker book. So we're going to put these, let's see, down here. And we're going to layer them because I'm going to cover up this floral outline. I don't want it there. And oops, I went a little bit too far with that, but that's okay because we're layering. Can y'all hear that? He is so, he just has such a hard life. It's just so hard having somebody provide for you, and you know, you have a warm bed and a warm house to sleep in for free. It's hard to be a dog, you know? And he always just is so dramatic about it. Okay, so that is cute like that. Oliver, be quiet. Alright, so now we've got my quotes. I want to do a little something up here and a little something down here, and then maybe throw in some washi. So I've got 2 pink boxes from Pressed Florals. This one has a purple floral on it that I do not want. So we will cover it up with this floral. You see how that's going to layer and cover that up? I'm just going to white it out so that it does not show through my daisy. And then we're going to lay this here. This box is crooked. Alright, I should have checked that before I before I laid the other one down. Okay. Alright, I think that's not really straighter. Alright, I'm going to try again. Sorry guys. One more time. Now I probably just jacked it up too high. Maybe not. Okay. Alright, stop. Okay, and then I have some blue that I want to throw in here as well. So I think I'm going to go with Love This somewhere. I'm not sure where. And then I thought about adding this in too. So maybe I'll add this over here and Love This right here. Let's just put it over top of this daisy. So it kind of looks like it's all one box. Okay, that's cute. Now, I'm going to put a little quote that says, "Just go for it," over here on Sunday. Let's see if we can make this halfway straight. I think I'm going to cut a little bit off the ends of this. It's a little bit too long for what I need it for. So just cut a tad off. And then let's go again. So we'll put it over here. And I know I said no cutting. I'm sorry. That was just a tiny bit of cutting though, right? Alright, now I have some more. Okay, so I don't want to put this flower here because of this flower. So let's come with this. It would be really nice if I could make it work right in here. Like that. Okay, that's cute. And then I do have this priority box, but I don't think I want to add it actually, because I think I have too much pink already on this side. So let's see what these look like. Oh, these colors are so pretty together. I really think that I need some polka dot washi. Y'all know I'm obsessed with that stuff, right? 𝗑𝗪𝗓, if you're watching this, it's all your fault. But I love it. So if y'all haven't watched Happy to Plan with 𝗑𝗪𝗓, you've got to watch her spreads, her videos, because my gosh, y'all, she's got it together when it comes to decorating a planner spread. Alright, so I think I'm going to just give up on those stickers that I've got laid out there, and I think I'm going to fill in with a little bit of polka dot washi. So now the washi is totally optional. You do not have to do washi. So now where do I want to put some of this? I think I'm going to put a little bit at the top up here, and then maybe a little bit down there at the bottom on this page, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do on the other page. We'll see if I can get this roll started. I love this washi. It's like cobblestone road or something. I don't know what it looks like, but it's just so cute. I think I'm just gonna rip it like right here. And then cut off this. I got sticker pieces everywhere. Yep, that is adorable. And then I think I want to put a little bit down here. Okay, that's cute. And where is my card? Cut this off right here. Okay, really cute. All right, now let's do this side. So I really don't want washi across the top there. So I think I'm gonna put a little bit down here on Friday. And if you run out of room, so say you do this spread and you run out of room and you need room to decorate, you can always grab another one of these colorful boxes and put over here, like over top of this washi, and write on that, but then still have the washi behind it. So don't ever feel like, you know, that if you don't have enough room and you have to pull your washi up, you can always stick a colorful box over an area to give yourself more room to write. Okay, and since this is my journal, I basically have plenty of room to journal. We're going to put a little bit down here, and then this is probably going to be the whole spread will be finished. I think this turned out super cute. Let me know what you think. And it was pretty simple, so maybe sometimes I just well, of course, you know, I'm overwhelmed, so I tend to over exaggerate, I guess, and try to make things worse than they really are. But that's just part of who I am. So anyways, thank you for that suggestion. I enjoyed doing this video. It was super quick and didn't take a whole lot of thought. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider. It's free. It costs you nothing. Just hit the subscribe button. And then if you click the bell on the side, you will get notified every time I upload a video. So that's it. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.